The era of the manual newsroom is officially over. Recently, I have successfully handed the keys of my media empire to a swarm of autonomous artificial intelligence agents that scrape, script, and publish global news without a single human click. Stop spending hours in a dark editing suite when algorithmic agents can do it in milliseconds. I have discovered the ultimate shortcut to scaling a news brand by connecting intelligent scraping bots directly to VideoGen's automated video production engine. What happens when you bridge advanced neural networks with VideoGen's instant visual rendering capabilities? You get a fully operational, multi-platform news cycle that runs entirely on pure code. Welcome back to AMA AI Tech. Today, I am breaking down the exact technical architecture I use to deploy agents that constantly hunt for trending headlines and trigger instant publishing. Watch how I bypassed manual editing entirely to build a relentless, high-velocity news channel that never sleeps. This is not a theoretical concept anymore. It is a live, fully automated reality. And if you are still editing your news content manually, you are already falling dangerously behind the curve. Let us analyze exactly why human-led newsrooms are failing to keep pace with the modern hyperspeed information cycle. In the traditional broadcast model, breaking news happens. A human journalist spends hours researching and typing a script, and then a massive production team spends the rest of the day filming, editing, and rendering the video. By the time that broadcast is published, the information is already obsolete. The modern attention economy demands absolute instantaneous reporting. Because of this, we are witnessing a massive industry-wide shift from traditional content creation to algorithmic media orchestration using autonomous agents. We are no longer just content creators, we are digital system architects. Picture a glowing live digital dashboard of a news channel that has effortlessly published over 50 high-quality, fully produced news clips in the last 24 hours, all without a single drop of human intervention. The screens are continuously flashing with global updates, processing massive data streams, and outputting broadcast-ready video content while the human creator sleeps. This is the evolution of zero-touch journalism. So, how do we begin architecting this autonomous newsroom? The foundation of this system relies on the seamless integration of specialized scraping agents. These intelligent bots act as digital radar systems, constantly filtering real-time global data across the internet. They monitor trending social media feeds, financial market APIs, and global press releases, aggressively hunting for high sentiment and trending keywords. The moment these agents detect a breaking story, they instantly extract the core data points. However, a pile of raw data is not a cohesive news script. This is exactly where large language models step into the workflow. We program these advanced language models to synthesize the raw data into objective, non-biased broadcast scripts. The AI acts as a master editor, cross-referencing facts from multiple conflicting global sources, stripping away emotional bias, and structuring a highly professional journalistic narrative. But a text script sitting on a server is still just text. The true magic of this architecture happens through automated API triggers. We connect these deep intelligence layers directly to VideoGen. The very second the language model finalizes the news script, a digital signal is fired over the network, sending the text straight into VideoGen for immediate visual rendering. This brings us to the most critical phase: visual synthesis with VideoGen. VideoGen is the ultimate creative engine that transforms pure data and text into a captivating cinematic reality. When the automated script hits the VideoGen platform, its AI immediately gets to work analyzing the context of every single sentence. It instantly highlights key phrases and maps highly relevant premium B-roll footage to match the script's beats with absolute flawless precision. We are talking about zero manual timeline editing. There is no dragging and dropping clips, no endlessly searching for stock footage, and no color grading. VideoGen understands the exact context of the news. If the agents report on a technological breakthrough, VideoGen automatically pulls high-tech futuristic B-roll featuring glowing servers and digital interfaces. If the news is about global finance, it selects high-definition footage of bustling trading floors and soaring digital stock charts. Furthermore, VideoGen allows you to deploy ultra-realistic AI avatars that deliver the news with the authoritative tone and perfect lip sync of a veteran news anchor. Another massive advantage of VideoGen is its dynamic multi-platform formatting capability. A modern media empire cannot survive by publishing on just one platform. VideoGen automatically formats the final output to simultaneously target vertical scrolling feeds like YouTube Shorts or TikTok, as well as wide horizontal feeds for long-form desktop viewing. And it accomplishes all of this while utilizing strict quality control protocols, ensuring every single generated frame meets current high-definition broadcast standards. The visual output is crisp, the transitions are seamless, and the dynamic text captions keep viewers engaged even when their sound is muted. With the visual architecture in place, we can focus on scaling content at an infinite velocity. Let us break down the disruptive cost-to-output ratio of this system. A traditional television news network spends millions of dollars annually on physical studios, celebrity anchors, video editors, and technical staff. With this automated VideoGen workflow, a single creator operating out of a minimal home office can compete directly with major global news networks for a fraction of a penny on the dollar. You essentially have an entire digital newsroom running on a basic software subscription. We must also explore the advanced scheduling logic that powers this machine. The global economy does not operate in a single time zone, and neither should your media empire. Our system utilizes automated publishing queues to ensure non-stop global coverage. The AI agents publish morning financial briefings for London, midday tech updates for New York, and evening summaries for Tokyo, all perfectly timed and seamlessly delivered. More importantly, this automated system is highly intelligent and adaptable. It constantly learns from real-time audience retention data. If the analytics show that a specific topic, such as artificial intelligence breakthroughs or space exploration, is gaining massive traction and holding viewer attention, the AI agents automatically pivot their coverage. They begin scraping, writing, and rendering more videos about those specific topics, feeding the audience exactly what they crave without you ever needing to check a spreadsheet. As we build and deploy these automated media empires, we must also seriously discuss the ethics and the future of artificial intelligence in media. Operating an ecosystem dominated by autonomous synthetic media carries a heavy responsibility. The creator must ensure the system maintains strict factual integrity. You must instruct your language models to prioritize highly verified sources and immediately flag contradictory data to prevent the spread of misinformation. The technology is incredibly powerful, but it requires a responsible architect. We are rapidly moving toward the next phase of global media, a future where broadcasting is no longer a generic one-to-many broadcast. We are entering an era of hyper-personalized news channels, custom-generated in real time for individual viewers based on their exact personal interests and viewing habits. But you do not need to wait for the distant future to take advantage of this technological shift. The tools are available right now. You have the exact roadmap to deploy your very first automated news agent using the modern infrastructure we discussed today. You can stop trading your precious hours for manual editing and start building digital assets that work for you around the clock. If you are ready to revolutionize your content creation and build your own automated media empire, the time to act is right now. I have provided the direct access link to VideoGen in the description below. Click the link, explore the automated rendering engine, and watch how quickly you can turn a simple text script into a professional, broadcast-ready news video. Stop editing, start automating. Try VideoGen today. The link is in the description.